Hello, my name is Joe Gaffey. I'm from SunValley Market in Detroit, Michigan. This is SunValley Market, our second location, located at 9291 Telegraph Road in the wonderful city of Griffin, Michigan. We are here because we have taken over the old Kroger location, remodeled it, and made it into a fresh, fantastic supermarket. This is Brandon.
I am Brandon. I'm the general manager here at SunValley Supermarket. I look forward to meeting everyone and serving the Redford community.
We are planning on having wonderful produce, wonderful, fantastic fresh meats, outstanding groceries, and here to serve our community in Redford. Please welcome us by coming here on April 29th for our grand opening party. Thank you.